Alright guys, another unboxing here. This time it's the Garrett AT Pro metal detector, which is the 55th year anniversary special kit. Choosing a metal detecting is something I've never actually done. I think, oh God, it was the late 70s when I was in first grade. Our school, there was a guy that lived next door to our school. They used to go out and do some metal detecting around the playground. And that was the first time I ever saw anybody do it. And I thought, oh, that's pretty neat, you know, going and finding some change. Well, years later, I started realizing all the different things that you can actually find with this by metal detecting. Obviously, there's the rare coins and, you know, the normal coins that we still use today. But relics, you know, just lost history, kind of modern American archaeology. It's pretty fascinating. So the general advice is to pick a simple metal detector when you're starting out, so it's not too complicated. But one of the things I know is 100% of the time I regret buying the beginner level stuff. It just, you know, it's just not good for me. I use it for a little while and immediately realize its limitations, and I'm not satisfied. So this is supposed to be kind of a little bit more advanced beginner intermediate type model. So it shouldn't be too crazy, but still give you a lot of latitude with features and everything that you can do. So let's open this up and see what's in the box. Okay, like I said, this was the 55th anniversary kit. So with the kit, it comes with the little hand locator, a pinpointer. Comes with a little keeper's box. It's basically just like a little tackle box. It has owner's manual and some type of book I'll have to look at, and of course the actual metal detector. Let's take a look at. And so this is the screen. It looks like it has plenty of controls and information on the display, but not too crazy. Okay guys, so I've got the little pinpointer now. We're going to just show you a little bit how this actually works. So I've got some screws here on the side of this bench. So that's pretty good. That's a pretty good distance away that it's hitting. And that's, so let's see here. So it gets louder as it gets closer. Pretty nice. So I'm happy with that. The little case here, this is pretty cheaply made. I don't think there's a lot of value in that. Setting up the metal detector was actually pretty easy. Not much to it at all. The only thing you had to worry about here was there's some little rubber washers that go on the inside of the stem there, and everything else is pretty straightforward. Haven't tried it yet. This kit also came with headphones, so using headphones is nice. So far it looks good. I haven't tried it yet. I don't know if it's got batteries actually. Okay. So actually it is on. And it hits that. So, saying I haven't done any type of adjustments. I'm sure there's some calibration with it, but it's hitting on the legs. And there's an extension cord and some stuff down here. Yeah, it hits on it. I don't know. I'll have to read the directions actually and see if this really does much of anything. Oh, the power is also a mode. Yeah, it's lightweight, it's comfortable. I think it's pretty ergonomic. So it shouldn't be terrible for swinging for, I would say, several hours. The balance seems to be pretty good. I'm really looking forward to trying this out once I figure out exactly how to set it up. So yeah, another video. Stay tuned and we'll get this out in the field and see how it goes. Once again, it is the Garrett AT Pro. Alright, thanks for watching and see you next time.